The Mahakumbh, one of the largest religious gatherings in human history, has just concluded in the sacred city of Prayagraj, coinciding with Mahashivratri. But beyond the rituals, beyond the devotion, something even more profound happened. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh utilized this Mahakumbh as a platform to dissolve caste divisions, strengthen Hindu identity, and challenge divisive narratives that have historically fragmented Indian society. For centuries, caste divisions have been a challenge within the Hindu society, exploited by colonial rulers, political forces, and the ideological narratives even today. But at Kumbh, we witness a different reality, one that defied these artificial divides. One of the most powerful symbols of this transformation is the Samrasta Bhoj, where millions of Hindus from different castes sit together as equals, breaking centuries-old social barriers. In fact, Dalit and tribal priests played a key role in major religious ceremonies during the Mahakumbh. The message was loud and clear: Hindu unity transcends caste. For years, mainstream academia and media have painted Hindu society as divided, fragmented. But Kumbh challenged this very narrative. Hindu scholars, spiritual leaders, and social thinkers took the charge of the discourse, ensuring that society defines itself rather than being defined by the external forces. Well, this is not the first time we have witnessed such a movement. The Ekat Mata Yatra of 1983 was a game changer. Through the simple act of distributing Ganga Jal across India, Hindus were unified beyond caste, region, and sect. Back then, Hindu unity was seen as a social movement, and today, Kumbh proved to be a continuation of the same legacy, strengthening Hindu consciousness on an unprecedented scale. But the RSS role goes beyond dharmic unity. It is laying the foundation of a social political model, from weakening the caste-based voting patterns to creating a self-sustaining model for future mobilization. And we all know how in India, for decades, caste-driven electoral strategies have shaped. But if the unity witnessed at Kumbh spreads across the nation, it could fundamentally change India's political landscape as well. In the past, foreign-funded NGOs often infiltrated Kumbh, pushing divisive narratives under the guise of social work. But this time, RSS ensured that relief efforts, sanitation drives, and medical aid are managed by indigenous organizations. By strengthening local Hindu intellectuals, social leaders, and religious scholars, the RSS is replacing foreign interventions with self-reliance. And this is not just about social service, it is about reclaiming control over Hindu narratives. The Mahakumbh 2025 was not just another religious gathering, it was a defining moment in Hindu history, a movement that challenged old divisions, countered historical distortions, and just as the Ekat Mata Yatra of 1983 played a crucial role in shaping India's political and social future, the Mahakumbh may define the next chapter of Hindu resurgence. So did you witness the Mahakumbh 2025? What are your thoughts on the transformation you saw? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep insights into our history and culture. Thanks for watching.